Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the auxiliary input in your Infiniti G35. First, locate the auxiliary input jack, usually found in the center console or near the shifter. Next, connect your audio device using a standard 3.5mm audio cable. Finally, select the auxiliary source on your car's stereo system to enjoy your music. It's a simple process that lets you play audio from your phone or other devices. Finding the auxiliary input is usually straightforward. Most Infiniti G35 models have the auxiliary jack conveniently placed inside the center console storage compartment. Sometimes, you might find it located closer to the gear shifter or even within the dashboard area. Just look for a small, circular port that is clearly labeled AUX or input to identify it correctly. To connect your audio device, you'll need a standard 3.5mm audio cable. This is the same type of cable often used for headphones. Simply plug one end of the cable into the headphone jack of your smartphone, MP3 player, or other audio device. Then, take the other end of the cable and firmly insert it into the auxiliary input port in your Infiniti G35. Ensure both connections are secure. Once your device is connected, you need to tell your car's stereo to play audio from the auxiliary input. Press the mode or source button on your car's stereo system. Continue pressing it until AUX or input is displayed on the screen. After selecting the auxiliary source, remember to adjust the volume on both your connected device and your car's stereo for the best sound experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.